me save you some hassle. When you've decided you're ready to settle down and build a home with someone, I strongly suggest you go with brick over lightweight. Trust me, I know. Lightweight, he was so high maintenance. He needed constant attention.
Come on, please, just say it.
I think you're really handsome.
No, say it with more passion.
I think you're the most handsome man I've ever met in my entire life.
All right.
But Brick, he's completely low maintenance, dependable and doesn't need any attention at all. What is this?
I made dinner. For you?
Oh, thanks.
You deserve it.
And with lightweight, this need for attention took its toll. Just to get him to be a normal boyfriend was a ton of work. Shoulder rubs, back scratching, bear hugs. You're okay. Towards the end, I was spent. That's why I've chosen Brick. Life is definitely better with Brick.
Please, can we just talk? I just need some help. I'm falling apart.